Assalamu alaikum. This is Mubashra from the platform of Innovative Learning. Today the video is about verb and its kinds. So let's see the first slide regarding the verb. Firstly, we'll see the definition of verb. A word or group of words that expresses an action of a noun is called a verb. एक लफ्ज़ या अल्फाज का ऐसा मजमुआ जो नाउन के एक्शन का इजहार करे वर्ब कहलाता है. Let's see the examples of verb. In the first sentence, Fatma is reading a book. The underlined word reading is a verb because it shows action. In the second sentence, you write a letter. The underlined word write is a verb. In the third sentence, they play football. The underlined word play shows action, so this is a verb. Now we will talk about the kinds of verbs. Verb has following major kinds: auxiliary or helping verbs, linking verbs, modal verbs, principal or action verbs, transitive verbs, and then intransitive verbs. The first kind of verb is an auxiliary or helping verb. So let's see its definition. An auxiliary or helping verb is that verb which helps to form a tense or mood of some other verb. For example, is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, must, ought. All these words are auxiliary or helping verbs, and they are used to form a tense or mood of some other verb. The next kind of verb is the linking verb. Linking verbs connect the subject and verb to give more information. बेसिकली लिंकिंग वर्ब्स जो होते हैं सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब को कनेक्ट करते हैं फॉर द सेक ऑफ मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. अ वर्ब सच एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ बी और सीम दैट ज्वाइंस अ सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस टू अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज कॉल्ड लिंकिंग वर्ब. सम लिंकिंग वर्ब्स आर बी, लुक, फील, स्मेल, प्रूव, गो, रन, अपीयर, सीम, become, resemble, remain, sound, and so on. The next kind of the verb is the modal verb. The verbs that combine with another verb to indicate mood or manner called modal verbs. ऐसे verb जो किसी और verb के साथ combine किए जाते हैं mood या manner को indicate करने के लिए modal verbs कहलाते हैं. The modal verbs are used to express ideas such as possibility, intention, obligation, desire, ability, request, and necessity. Some modal verbs are may, might, can, could, ought to, should, and so on. The next one is the principal or action verb. So let's see its definition. An action or principal verb tells what the subject of the sentence is doing. Some action verbs are run, talk, skip, sleep, jump, hope, and so on. It has three forms: present, past, and past participle. We denote all these three forms as the first form, second form, and the third form as well. For example, the first form, which is also called the present form, go is the first form, and then the second form of the verb go is went, and the third form of the word go is gone. The next kind of the verb is the transitive verb. A verb is transitive if the action does not stop with the doer but passes from the doer to an object. बेसिकली ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब में हमें सब्जेक्ट के साथ साथ एक्शन को कंप्लीट करने के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई रॉट अ लेटर. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, इन ऑर्डर टू डिनोट द कंप्लीट मीनिंग, द वर्ड लेटर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. In the second sentence, we bought mangoes. The underlined word mangoes is an object which is required to complete the action. And then in the third example, he killed a snake. The underlined word snake in his object, which is also a transitive verb, which is required to complete the action. The next kind of the verb is the intransitive verb. A verb is intransitive when the action stops with the doer and does not pass from the doer to an object. बेसिकली इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में एक्शन को कंप्लीट करने के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट और फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ एक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाता है. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस शी लाफ्स, द सन राइसेस, and then the third sentence they play. All these are the examples of intransitive verb where no object is required to complete the action or meaning of the sentence. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video. Thank you.